Well, good morning, my ladies and my gents. Be Wednesday, and thought I would put together a little something here after some fun little incidents yesterday with my X-Acto knife. Thought I'd put together a three-part series today. I'm going to show off my 1960 Apache build. I got it finished, and it came out pretty nice. I do say so myself. I'm always surprised when the plan comes together and it comes out looking like I had pictured in my mind, and it actually does. Wow, I like it. Then I'm going to have a bit about my plan for a 1951 Chevy Bel Air. Big build. And third, some reminders about knife safety after I wound up with several bandages on my fingers yesterday. But some tips and tricks about things like that, and some reminders, some tips for the new modelers coming in, and some reminders for those of us that have been doing it for a while and have gotten a little complacent, because so I'm going to do this in 3 separate videos so you don't wind up with one that's too awful long, and you can kind of pick and choose which one you want to watch. But I'm going to continue this one with the Apache, and let me get my camera switched around, and I will talk to you in a minute. All right, well, let's start with the Apache. And yeah, I got it all nice and finished up. Get it up here where we can get some light in it. Got the supercharger in it. Got the radiator belts, got the hood on it. Got the tires. Those are VCG, the classic that I was talking about last time. The white walls actually snap in. I painted them with just white primer, which gives that finish like you get on a real white wall, and then use some Tamiya rubber black on it. Got the exhaust in. That's just bent aluminum tubing. But yeah, it came out. Come around back, and that all came out. See if I can get it to zoom on it. Got the VCG plaque on it because I think about half of this build is VCG. And but yeah, that actually came out real nice. The only problem I've got is of course, on my windshield, I've got some stuff that the flocking. And but yeah, this is the finished product. I highlighted a bunch of this stuff in the previous video about the update, about some of the decals and so forth. So I won't go through that again. But it overall, I also went through and used a fine liner, one of these. I get these at Hobby Lobby. Hit it to where it focuses, as opposed to the Molotov, what do you want to call them, Molotov? The Molotov markers. For whatever reason, Molotov markers, whether they chrome or black, I don't have a lot of good luck with them. I don't know if it's something them, if it's something me. I don't know, but I don't have that good of luck with them for whatever reason. So I just noticed I need to get my white paint out on the air cleaner. I don't know if it's kind of come out on the camera, but on the air cleaner, a little bit of the white paint got knocked off of where the element is. I need to touch that up a little bit just to make me happy. But at any rate, so that's the Apache. Rather pleased with that. That's a little 30-second touch up on that, and that'll take care of it. watching TV this morning. I don't know if any of y'all have watched, or you can't have missed it. Anything on the news are talking about the wildfires in California, and they're having some real problems. The winds are such that they can't really use the airplanes and the helicopters to drop any water on it or fire retardant on anything. The winds are blowing the flames so fast that even if they are able to get a plane up and actually drop, by the time they leaves the plane to hit the ground, the fire's moved 100 feet past it and it misses it completely, or the wind simply blows the water or the fire retardant away from where the fire actually is. And then they're having problems, especially over there in what is it, Palisade, whatever don't have all the names, but they've got a problem there that they rely on firefighting. The fire hydrants are fed by a water tank on top of the hill there, and it hasn't been refilled, so they don't have any water to fight the fires. Add that to the problem that over 4 decades they haven't cleared any of the dry brush from around the area, and so you've got all that highly flammable stuff there, and one spark and with the wind and it fans it, and they've got some serious fires going on over there, in addition to everything. So, but a lot of people are losing their homes, they're losing their cars, been problems there. I won't go into it, won't bore you with it, because you watch any newscast and they'll talk about it. But just say this, I got lots of thoughts and prayers to the people out there that are having to deal with it. Hope everybody makes it out okay. So far, knock wood, they haven't had any major injuries or fatalities, but speed of the wind and the speed of the fire, that may change. So lots of prayers, lots of thoughts. I hope everybody makes it out okay. And on that little bit of a somber note, that'd be Tex signing out.